You are welcome to Marketing Video Course. This is a course that will guide you how to create professional video marketing for free and make $60, which is 30,000 naira per day, and approximately to 900,000 per month, which is $1,800 without being carrying sophisticated or expensive instruments and without recording your own video or carrying a camera. So you don't need to carry a camera before you create your own video and make money. This will save you from spending money on videos. You are no longer spending money creating videos. You will learn how to make different types of videos by yourself. It is not good enough to learn how to make marketing videos without me showing you how to make a lot of money from it. To be honest with you, you will make a lot of money from it, and there are a lot of ways to make money from marketing videos. I mean, there are a lot of money to be made in marketing videos. For those that are running ads on Facebook or Instagram, if you are running ads with ordinary image and running ads with video, you will see that one will perform better. So if you are running ads on Facebook or Instagram, run one ad with ordinary image, then run another one with video and see which one gets conversion. Which one gets conversion most? It will be video. No doubt about that. Yes, it will be video. Video converts than image. So see you in the next video where I will be explaining 6 proven ways to make consistent money creating marketing videos. Enjoy your videos.